Hi, I'm gonna teach you how to make those S's, and I don't know what they look like mostly, but I'm gonna make another one next to it. That wasn't my best one, but it was a quick sketch one, so I'm gonna teach you. So first you draw 3 lines, 3 more, cross this one, and then cross this one to this side, cross this one to this side. Then put a cone on this one, and then put a cone on this one. There. This is the one I made right now. This is my quick sketch. So I'm going to make that quick sketch. I think my quick sketch looked better than my one that I did now. But, yeah. So here, if you want to see upside down, I don't know, but there. And circled one is the one I did right now. I think my sketch one looks better, but I think it really doesn't matter. So yeah, that's how I draw an S. That, I don't know what it means, but if you know what it means, please tell me in the comments below. And thank you. Please subscribe. Please. Actually, what am I saying? Sorry, I'm looking at it now. You can take a while looking at your S, I guess. Okay, please subscribe, like, comment. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. And, yeah, read the paper. Bye.